AK back with a new video. Today we are going to unbox Realme P2 Pro. This phone is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. It has Snapdragon 7S Generation 2 processor. Also has a 120 curved display, Hertz curved display, and has a 80 watt charging and 5200 mAh battery. So first of all, let's unbox this. Phone has a Sony LYT 650 megapixel back camera and 32 megapixel front camera. Okay, we have unboxed this. They have written, "Hey, welcome to Realme family," if you guys can see, and also make it real. It's the tagline of Realme, and we have a cover in here. You can see a cover. We have a SIM eject tool. Also guys, this phone has a stainless steel vapor cooling system. I want to mention this phone also has a AI feature which you can use to remove people from your photos, which is really helpful. Look at this guys, and the back is really fascinating. Okay, I'll just show you like this. And also guys, this phone doesn't have a 3mm jack, so you have to buy now C-type headphones, so you can plug in it here and then you cannot charge. That's why the power of charging is great, 80 watt. That's the reason guys, so you can utilize it to hear your songs. Also it comes with this adapter, 80 watt. This is a massive charger of 80 watt. You can see on this 80 watt, and also our C-type cable. Okay. Hey guys, you'll think the end was quite unusual because I wanted to record the end in this phone, and look at this. The quality is unmatchable. It's really well, and to be honest, it has more AI features. If you want, just comment me. I will make a short and just tell you how you can use how many AI feature this phone has, and I'm going to try to give you the best possible information in my further videos. Also, my all old videos containing gaming content is going to be removed soon. So yeah, just if you want to check out old me, so you can just go watch the videos, because I want this channel to be informative. And yeah, let's hope for upcoming videos. And also thank you for 400 subscribers guys. We just hit 400. The next aim is 500 guys. Let's go, we can do this.